So if you want love, I just wanna go old here with you. And when we're 85 with your hand in mine, I'll still love you like you're new. So if you want love, so if you want love, a couple weeks and I'm on a flight to you. A couple months later you move in, and now you're wearing my clothes as if they're yours. And we're talking about kids on our front porch, and we laugh when we live in the moment, 'cause nothing could be as important. After 3 years and 6 months, I'm on a knee. Would you spend your whole